Hello everyone, this is Rashi Gaur, Global Consultant, Astrology, Numerology, Vastu and Feng Shui, and I'm here on the sets of SSBeauty talking about something very interesting. Festive season is round the corner. It is a time to open our doors to abundance, to socialize with our family and friends, and to attract all wonderful things to our lives and to dress up. What most of us don't know is that when we dress up, we attract that glam and glitz to ourselves. We are actually enhancing our Venus, the planet of love, luxury, beauty and riches. Find out how can you enhance your Venus by these beautiful tips that I'm bringing to you. How to work on your magic, how to bring out your aura as per your zodiac sign. Now let's move on from the emotional water sign to the practical earth sign. You're an earth sign if you're a Taurus, Virgo or Capricorn. Taurus, the classic beauty. You're a Taurus ruled by Venus and symbolized by the bull. You move forward towards your goals with undivided attention, resilience and perseverance. Anything too bold is not for you. Elegant, chic, classic is your style. Stay with soft peaches and pinks. And to get that perfect, flawless base, do not forget to use your concealer or your foundation. Your lucky day is Friday, and your lucky colors are blush pink, pastel blue, and sparkly white. In terms of your crystal to add as jewelry to you, play around with jade. That's your go-to crystal. Virgo, the perfectionist. Ruled by Mercury, you will not settle for anything which is less than perfection. Practical, goal-oriented, purpose-driven. You know exactly what you want. To get that perfect skin, start working on your skincare routine much in advance. Next, work on your eyebrows, fill them in, and get that winged eyeliner for yourself. Nobody gets it to perfection like you do, and you're the one who truly deserves it. For that perfect shade of lipstick, mix your nude, your brown and your pink. As far as your lucky days are concerned, your lucky day is Wednesday and your lucky colors are all shades of blues and greens. In terms of your crystal, to add that extra element of good luck to you, play around with green aventurine. Capricorn, the practical one. Ruled by Saturn, the planet of resilience. You are the opposite of reckless. Your aura gets defined by earthy tones of makeup. A no makeup look is just the perfect one for you. Minimal and subtle. In fact, the palette, which is all nudes and browns, was specially designed for you. Your lucky days are Friday and Saturday, and your lucky colors are earthy tones and black. In terms of crystal, your go-to crystal is the amethyst. When we talk about fragrances for the earth sign, choose anything which is minimal. And anything which is woody or earthy works beautifully for your senses. If you've really enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. SSBeauty is your place to go.